Hey, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2005 Chevy with a Duramax engine in it. Originally the customer said that they were having some difficulty starting it if it sat overnight. Once they got it running, they were able to start it and drive it normally throughout the day. What they were telling me is that they were having to constantly pump this, which is the primer for the fuel filter. It seemed like it was losing prime. They would be fighting with it for 15 or 20 minutes in the morning. We experienced the same symptoms. We weren't able to get it started at all. We brought it in. We actually installed this fuel filter assembly that we have as a testing method to make sure that we don't have a suction issue coming from the fuel tank itself. We determined that the CP3 pump or high pressure fuel pump had failed. We're also going to pull the fuel injectors, send them out to be tested to make sure there's no debris in them and that they're going to flow correctly once we get the new high pressure pump installed. If you have any issues with your diesel pickup truck, or you're not quite sure if you might experience these issues or what you should do if you do, please feel free to give us a call, and we look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to it, hit the like button, and ring that bell. We really look forward to reading your comments.